Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix error 2 the system cannot find the file specified in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is as a start icon, you need to do a right click, scroll up and go with run. So in this small window, type services.msc, then click on OK. So the moment you click on it, you will be redirected here at the services. Here, just select any of the service and system and type W and look for Windows Update. Scroll down and there you go. So once you have selected it, minimize this window first. And we need to navigate the same process, which is you need to do a start, right click on the start icon, then go with the run. And this time we need to type for regedit. Again, it is regedit. Click on OK. So your user account control asks you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open your registry editor. Here you need to follow a registry path. Okay, just have to post this video or you can take a screenshot of this video and then you can take a screenshot of this. Just have to post this video and then you can also take a picture. It is you need to go with HQ local machine, then go with system, then go with current control set, then go with services. And here you need to go with this services that we have just opened earlier. Okay, and in the Windows update, you need to do a right click, okay, and then go with properties. And in this new tab, there you can see general, and at the very first of it, you can see their service name. So just have to copy this, okay, and paste it here first at your note and then minimize this. And here you need to input backward slash and then paste the service name that we have just copied earlier. The moment you have entered it, just have to click on enter on your keyboard and there you have that. You would be redirected here at the service name that we have just copied, which is WAU serve. Okay, so here go for the center of your screen. You can see their image path. Okay, just have to double tap that and change the value data into this. Okay, so simply post this video so that you can take a screenshot of this value data, which is C colon backward slash Windows backward slash system 32 backward slash svc host dot exe space dash key space net svcs space dash p. Again, simply take a screenshot or take a picture of this video so that you can copy this and then you can type it here at the value data. Okay, so once you have typed it, click on OK, and then you need to close all of these file folders that we have just opened or access to. Close this window as well, and then you need to restart your computer. Okay, so once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.